Today we are going to make the world's best cookies, hopefully. We'll see how they turn out. Okay, so I have mixed together my butter and all my wet ingredients to make the cream. And now I am mixing together the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Okay, so I melted the sugar into sugar glass and then I broke it up into chunks. Small chunks. As you see here, I have these chunks. They're about this big at most. So that's what I did. And then you saw the batter. Now I let it cool in the fridge for 15 minutes. We have about 7 minutes left. So see it when it's done. I took the cold batter out of the fridge. The 15 minutes is up. By the way, I did stir the batter with my hands. I just like stirring it with my hands. But when you do it, make sure you wash your hands before. You should always wash your hands, but just double wash them before. Okay, so these are the cookies. I just took this smasher right here and I pressed it down. And then I put the sugar glass on. And then I just pressed it down lightly so they wouldn't go too far in or be too far out. Now I'm going to cook it for 14 to 60 minutes. And that'll be it. Okay, so I didn't put the sugar glass in the second batch of cookies, but there is enough sugar glass for it. I wanted to try some with and without. So for these I just smashed them once, not because I didn't put the sugar glass in them. Well, we'll see how they taste. Hopefully they taste amazing. Okay, so I am trying the cookie with the sugar glass. Let me try it. This is some good cookie. Sugar glass wasn't as crunchy as it was. I mean, I am eating it warm. So, it's good. It's actually very good. So, let's now try the one without it. Okay, so now I will try the ones without the sugar. Now, the ones without the sugar actually look better because the sugar doesn't make it look nice. That was actually the only reason I added the sugar part, but, well, it wasn't how it turned out, but it is good. Here is me eating the ones without the sugar stuff. Okay, now I'm going to try the one without the sugar glass. Tastes about the same. I feel like it is a little harder on the outside, just the bread part. But it is good. Very good. Okay, I am Isaac. Thank you for watching, and here is the recipe I used.